This is exam mini video 3, prompt 1 by Chloe Patterson. We have a population of 500 total iguanas. There are 119 individuals that are green with the genotype Big A, Big A. There are 255 individuals that are brown with the genotype Big A, Little a. And there are 126 individuals that are turquoise with the genotype Little a, Little a. To calculate allele frequency, you do the number of the allele you are interested in over the total number of alleles. The calculation for our population is shown on the slide. You calculate the genotype frequencies for the population with the formula shown on the slide. Here are the calculations for the genotype frequency of our iguana population. Our hypothesis is that the population of iguanas has Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium proportions in the skin color locus. Here is our chi-square chart for our specific iguana population. The degrees of freedom for our test is 1. When we look at the chart from class, the critical value for 1 degree of freedom is 3.84. The calculated value for the chi-square test was about 0.204. Therefore, we will fail to reject HO, and at the 5% significance level, the skin color locus in iguanas is consistent with Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Selection is the survival and reproduction of individuals with a certain genotype because of natural factors. It also includes the preferential elimination of individuals with certain genotypes. Here's our selection chart with the frequencies before selection and the fitness levels that were made up. We calculate the unadjusted survivors by multiplying the frequency before selection by the fitness level for each genotype. The calculations are shown on the chart. We then add together the unadjusted survivor frequencies to obtain the average fitness. We obtain a value of about 0.756 for the average fitness for our iguana population. We find the frequency after selection by doing the unadjusted survivors over the average fitness. The values obtained for frequency after selection can be seen on the chart. The fitness level for Big A is 1. Big A Little a is 0.79, and Little a is 0.46. We can see that the frequency of Big A saw the largest increase in frequency after selection. Big Little a saw a slight increase after selection, and Little a saw a decrease in frequency after selection. We see directional selection in this population. The genotype that is most favored in the population is Big A, or the green-colored iguanas. Over time, as the population reproduces, the allele frequency of the population will shift in the direction of green iguanas.